Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Coolife suitcase. Now, this is the suitcase right here, and at first glance, you can see it has a really nice aesthetic appeal. It looks very professional, and also the first thing I noticed was it rolls really nice and easy. The wheels are really high quality, and it maneuvers very easily and quickly like that. Now, as far as the zippers, we do have that lock up top here with these zippers, and they can easily be unlocked just like that, and it will unzip very easily. Now, one thing I was actually really impressed with was the front of the suitcase. It does have this really nice panel here that has a lot of storage. It could easily store maybe like a laptop or a tablet right there. As you can see, they have those little icons right there. Overall, a very good suitcase. The inside is nice and spacious. I was actually really impressed with just how much room you have on the inside. You've got even pockets here, a different divided section there, and a clip there for your clothes. Overall, I would highly recommend this suitcase as I really think it's high quality and it looks very professional. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.